Remember how I told you that I hate working with musicians?
Yeah.
This is what I got.
Is it another fuck up?
3 wires in the air, I'm doing nothing. This pickup is connected to nothing. This pickup is connected to nothing. This pickup is connected to nothing.
Yeah.
And there is no sound. No shit.
Okay.
And the best part is, when I'm in the middle position, I don't have the sound of the middle pickup. No shit, Sherlock, because you fucking grounded that position to the fucking ground. For fuck's sake.
Okay. Did somebody try to fix it?
Yeah, this is fixed.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I fucking hate musicians. He literally grounded the fucking middle position, and then he is wondering why doesn't he have a sound, and this switch is too complicated because it has 24 contacts. It's not complicated.
Okay, I've never seen this part of a guitar. This is interesting. Cool. Let's see when you fix it.
So I have calmed down a bit, and I have finished rewiring this guitar, and I just have one finishing touch to add.
And that is?
This heat shrink.
What?
There's an exposed wire here that I'm going to heat shrink.
This one doesn't have to be connected.
No, because they are not splitting the humbucker. There we go. And that should be it. So if I may, look at all the soldering. It's all nice and shiny.
Okay.
Look at all the new color coated wires. I did pink and purple just because I know that will piss them off.
Really?
Yes. And everything is where it should be.
Cool.
And now, if you do not know how to play a guitar,
I don't.
you can still test it. I just need to put everything back in.
Okay.
Okay. So, everything on max. I just seem to have I have a guitar amplifier. So,
Look at this cutie.
yeah. How do you test this if you don't know anything about playing the guitar? You take something metal, like a screwdriver,
Yeah.
or
a screw.
And he wanted it so it is configured like a normal switch. Why did he buy an expensive switch when a normal switch would do? I don't know, but here we are.
Okay.
So in this position, he wants only this pickup to work. Hear that?
Yeah.
You just touch the magnets. Touch anything else, there's nothing. In this position, he wants this one and this one. But this one is a little bit quieter than now. Here?
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. In this position, he wants only the middle one. In this position, he wants the middle and the neck one.
How is this called?
Bridge, middle and neck. And this, he wants only the neck one here. And this switch,
Which?
this one, adds this pickup so you can play this and this one. So in this position, only the bridge one is pulled out. These two are now.
Okay.
And this thing, this thing splits this. This is a double coil single pickup.
Okay. Oh, wait. Again.
It's very subtle, but it makes it a little bit thinner.
Okay.
But hey, this works. And I
Cool.
do not have my picks here. But yeah, if you do not know,
I have nails.
you have nails, yes, but if you do not know how to solder a guitar, ask someone.
Of course.
Don't bring a pile of junk and then ask for help.
So I can just touch it and it do something.
Yes. I put a little reverb for you.
Ooh. Wow, okay. Oh, that is long. Oh. Okay, cool. And what does this one do?
Which one? This is the volume.
Ah. Wow. Nice. Wow.
Where are my picks? Do I have any
No.
picks?
No. You can improvise. Maybe you have it with your.
We will improvise with my
Wires.
guitar. I do not want to play this guitar.
Oh, we will have improv night.
Yeah. So yeah, another project completed.
Mm-hmm.
It will cost him dearly,
Ooh.
but hey, you get what you pay for.
Of course.
I can do anything, just give me enough time and money.
Ooh.
Give me enough money, I can do anything.
Mm.
You can buy time with money.
Okay, now I'm thinking.
Yes. Thank you for watching. This is a short one. And the next one will be another samurai video, I think.
Woo.
We already filmed it, but
Oh, did it?
we have a backlog of videos. Bye.
Bye.